guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are at the G.SKILL booth, Computex 2018, and of course we are here with some custom water-cooled computers. You can see right along here a variety of custom designs. Right here has to be one of my favorites, and of course we do have the Trident Z themed custom PC over here, which is one of my favorites as well. But right here we do have a screen on top of this case. This requires a lot of lighting inside to actually emit that light so that it is able to project that image on the screen. So we're going to take you guys around the booth, give you guys a bit of a look at some of the new products that G.SKILL has to offer, and I bet you guys are going to like some of the RAM that we are going to be showing you today. So here on display is some of G.SKILL's older RAM, but in the middle here we do have some new RAM. Now this RAM is very low profile, but it would work well with a lot of liquid coolers which actually restrict that area with the taller RAM. So certainly something to look at if you guys do choose to use a beefier CPU cooler, which is obviously interfering with the RAM slots. So on display here, we do have G.SKILL's all-popular Trident Z RGB memory. Now we have something very special to show you guys, which will be released in Q4, I'm told. Now this is going to be some Trident Z RGB memory, but a very, very special edition. Now this will be marketed as a consumer sample. This will not be a limited edition, but wait until you guys see it. You guys are going to want it. It will have a more premium price over the original Trident Z RGB, but it follows the same design concept and it will make for some unique custom water-cooled PCs. And here it is, guys. G.SKILL's new release of RAM, which will be coming out in Q4. We do have the G.SKILL Trident Z RGB. However, we do have this coming in gold and chrome, and it has a crystal design to it which reflects light in different ways and creates a unique effect to all of the RGB. Very nice. I'll certainly be trying to get a set of this for my personal PC. So that about does it for the G.SKILL booth for Computex 2018. I hope you all enjoyed. We have plenty of videos on the channel, lots of custom PCs, so definitely check out those videos as well. Hope you all enjoyed that memory as well. Let us know in the comments what you thought of it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Are you wanting to take your video editing or heavy multi-threaded tasks to the next level? Well, look no further than the Intel flagship Core i9-7980XE processor. With 18 cores and 36 threads, your rendering times will look non-existent. For more information and a wide range of products, visit mwave.com.au or check the link in the description below.